If you don't like being broke but still dream of riches, then stop making these 7 mistakes and start building your wealth. Mistake number 1, working just for money. If you're only clocking in for a paycheck, you're stuck in the survival hamster wheel. The rich build assets, things that make money while they sleep. So invest in skills, businesses, and opportunities that create long-term wealth. Mistake number 2, spending on luxury too soon. Sure, that shiny new car looks tempting, but the wealthy live below their means and invest first. Your future self will high-five you for delaying those splurges. Mistake number 3, thinking you can do it alone. Success isn't a solo gig. The rich surround themselves with mentors and like-minded go-getters. Find your tribe and learn from those who've already made it. Mistake number 4, consuming too much information without action. Binge-watching finance vids is great, but without action, it's just a hobby. The wealthy don't just learn, they execute. Mistake number 5, letting ego control your decisions. Pride can be pricey. Stay humble, accept advice, and keep learning. The moment you think you've got it all figured out is the moment you stop growing. Mistake number 6, blaming others for your situation. The poor blame the government, the economy, and even their luck. The rich take full responsibility and focus on what they can control. Your mindset is your greatest asset. Mistake number 7, staying in your comfort zone. No risks, no rewards. The wealthy embrace challenges and step out of their comfort zones. Every great opportunity starts with a little fear. Now that you've got the lowdown on what not to do, it's time to take action. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and success.